Good evening, all of you. So last explanation about order list and unorder list, bulleting styles and numbering styles, main list and sub list both we created. Lastly, small information to you about this one. OLs separately we used and ULs also separately we used. Can I combine these two things, sir? 100% possible. Suppose I want to prepare the nested list. Nested list I want to prepare it. So in that nested list, main list I want to prepare with OL, sir. Yes, possible. And sub list I want to prepare with UL. Yes, possible. Or in reverse combination also possible. UL main tag, OL sub tag. Otherwise, OL sub tag, UL main tag. I'm not showing any example, just for explanation purpose only. Orderly, bulleting style, numbering styles, both are required. But one is a bulleting style, another one is the numbering style. Which ones are our choice? Suppose this is OL, LI comes here. LI inside, you can go for UL. But now OL becomes as main list, UL becomes as a sub list. Order list main, unorder list sub. Yesterday we used already, but both similar types we used. OL inside OL, UL inside UL. But now we have facility, OL inside UL is possible, UL inside OL is also possible. Combinations also we can go, it's not a problem. This is main list. Main list. Now I'm going to preparing the sub list set. So C, C++, some core Java like this. Yesterday we did already. The same thing, bulleting style also we did yesterday. But internally ABC I don't want, sir. Some symbols required, sir. It's possible. The combination means. So who is the main list? Main list OL, sub list UL. Now reverse combination also. Reverse combination also possible. Reverse combination means this I am going to changing into bulleting style and this I am going to changing into numbering style. Tags positions changing, that's all. Just for awareness purpose I am saying. Yesterday we are not discussing this one, time over already, so that's why today I am explaining it. Examples are, you can try yourself. Next one, the same list I want to design with the CSS format. Yesterday we completed about this HTML style. Now I want to perform the CSS operations, sir. Yes, sir, possible. And moreover in CSS we have some extra models also. Numberings we have extra models and symbols also we have some additional models. So how to implement those? That I am going to covering now. The first one of the CSS attribute, list hyphen style hyphen type. List style type. Very clear attributes there. So style of the list we are going to setting. Which is style of list you required. It is one of the CSS attributes that used to specify type of list. Which type of list you are expecting, a type specification. Order list or unordered list, sir. Both same property only. You want to write the bulleting style, this is the property we have to use. You want to go for the numbering style, this is the property. For both, for OL and ULs. OL for same attribute and UL also the same attribute. No changes in that one. And how to use, sir? List hyphen style hyphen type colon. Write what type of thing you are. Yesterday we used type, remember na? Type attribute we used yesterday in every example. Type equals to 1 we mentioned, right? And next example, type equals to dot we mentioned. We would see that both cases we use the same attribute, a different attribute. Same attribute. In order list we use a type attribute. In unordered list also we use a type attribute. So CSS also providing the single attribute for both the types. Next one, while writing of CSS styles, one no, a, small a, these not accepted. Shortcuts no. The clear sounding required. I need one, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. Generally 1, 2, 3, 4 is alphabets and numbers, sir. Numbers. Which type of numbers? Floating pointer, decimals, sir. Integers, sir. In my option, integer not available here. Floater, decimal, sir. Decimal. So right here decimal. Decimal means 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1, 2, 3, 4 if you specify it, CSS not accepting shortcuts, sir. Clear pronunciation required. Next, I need capital A, B, C, D, sir. Just capital A. Yesterday working. It's yesterday we tested already. It successfully worked. But today no chance, sir. Uppercase alpha and clear pronunciation required. So listed style type equals to decimal or upper hyphen alpha or lower hyphen alpha or upper hyphen Roman or lower hyphen Roman. Next. These are the 5 yesterday we worked, right? Now additional models, sir, in his CSS. Lower hyphen Greek. Greek symbols are comes. Alpha, beta, you have some symbols available. No? A symbols comes in place of numbering. Next, leading hyphen 0 hyphen decimal. First one decimal, na? This one leading 0 decimal. Leading 0 means 0 displaying. Which side? That side or this side? Front side. So 01, 02, 03, G4, that for numbering are comes. Yesterday just 1, 2, 3, 4. When you use this leading 0, sir, every digit before 0 adding. 01, 02, 03, 06, 09 like that. Next, I want to print the points, spaces required, points required, but I don't want any numbering, sir. I don't want any symbols, sir, but a gap required. Points wise displaying and uniform positions required, but numberings I don't want. None. As is output comes, missing is only numbers. The additional 3 models comes in our CSS. Next, slash dot common, sir, slash circle, slash square. And close this. So those are the possible values of the list style type attribute. A list style type attribute possible values. Color equals to red, color equals to green, color equals to something how we typed. Like that, type equals to choose one of these. Not all at a time, sir. One of these. Which one your interest? Now I'll implement this one. See. So first I'm typing data, OL, LI, some names I'm going to just printing, HTML, LI close. CSS, some JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular. 5 names I displayed here, sir. Now all these things by default it will comes as per HTML settings. So what is that HTML settings, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4 by default. But these numbering styles I want to go through CSS pattern. So go to the top of the tag, start the style, internal CSS I'm using. Or we can also say as a second approach of CSS implementation, internal CSS. We know already discussed a few days back, sir. OL, open bracket, list hyphen style hyphen type colon A. I'm asking capital A with yesterday's knowledge. With yesterday's knowledge, I'm asking the browser display my points with capital A. But browser not accepting your request. 1, 2, 3. So way of specification is the problem. But I need capital A, sir. Write the uppercase alpha. And now we'll get the capital letters. This is the HTML to CSS difference. Encoding. Next, I need Greek letters, sir. Sure. Lower Greek. Lower Greek. Yes. But what are the options I mentioned? Try to use one of these. Compulsory corresponding option, it will work. None, sir. None means points, gaps, margins, spaces, everything as is, just symbols gone. This is none. Points available, spaces also available, see that one. Only a symbol missing. Next, I'm preparing one more list here. This time, UL preparing. UL. Unordered list. Same items. So take the UL and same attribute we are using, but type changing. Symbols we are trying to print. Square. So numbering style plus a symbol style, both are working. We routine sir means yesterday thing screenplay changed. Story same sir, only screenplay direction changed. HTML pattern we just change it to CSS pattern, and additionally we'll get 3-4 models extra here. Next, I want to display the points with some special and variety symbols, sir. Is circle, dot, square, it's boring, sir. I need some variety symbols. Yes, sir. In Flipkart, we observed the green color badge displaying bank offers. EMI offer 10%. Green color, some type of variety symbol is comes. Like that, I want to display my photo in front of my points, sir. No problem. Image required. Image. So attribute is list hyphen style hyphen image. Right. So list style image. Displaying the points with some images supporting. And every point before one image comes. The same images you want to display, not different images you want to display, the purely your choice. 10 points, a common image. No, sir, 10 points, 10 varieties of images, sir. Both possibilities there. So use it to display. So list of points with specified image. How to write it, sir? The basic writing style. Colon URL of write your file name with a neat address. Recently we worked already images concept. When you are displaying the SRC, a complete address, same pattern follow here. Additionally, URL is comes. Get a file name place. So recently images concept what we discussed follow the same guidelines. Your name of the image, extension, complete address required. Luckily image available in the same location, sir. Address not required, only file name enough. Remember a pointer, this one? Image, your HTML program, both in the same location. Address required, not required. Two different locations, address required. So same guideline. First we need images, sir. If I want to implement this one, I need some specially designed images. As usual, go for internet, download bulleting styles. Search in Google bullet styles. A variety bullet styles there comes. Download all the things and copy into your current folder. Expected. Before entering the key, I got the doubt. Bullets and some that bullets are displaying. Yes, expected. So these are the images changed. Bullet icons I typed. Bullet icons and we'll get this one. Get a variety symbols available, sir. Any symbol, your choice. Before use a small guideline also here. Generally our regular image is very big size available, right? But you get a point size, how much available, sir? This much size. Image this much, point this much, sir. But the alignment problems are comes. So better reduce the image to the small size. Proper alignment is comes. Otherwise image one side comes, so point another side it will goes. Alignment completely changed. So after downloading, try to reduce. So try to reduce the size of image, then apply to your programs. So I'm downloading this image. Actually, we have already images here, unnecessary. In our folder, we have already images. Bullet styles are available. See this one. Ambulance style. The bulleting styles away. This just now we downloaded. So some bullets already available in our folder. I'm just going to using the same thing. But only time waste downloading size adjustment. The mic symbol available. So this mic symbol I'm going to using. So one more UL tag I'm going to taking here. One more UL tag. Style, list, style, image, colon, URL of images slash your image name. Images or folder name. In that folder we have the images. Those I'm going to writing. So first I'm using some car symbol b.png. b.png. This one. Doesn't matter. So every point before the ambulance or police car or something, points are getting here. Now I need something other symbol, sir. Bullet.png, some other picture is comes. Next, csk.png. CSK. This is Chennai Super Kings. Image is already available in my program. So here what happens there? All images are displaying with the, all points are displaying with same picture. But some of the websites, if you observe it, some points with one picture, some points with one picture it will comes. Example, again your Flipkart, again banks offers only. Our mobile bank offers are available. 10% credit card is something. If you see all that options are, N-1 options, a green color badge comes. EMI option is available. Na? EMI before table symbol is comes. Observed? Never seen, huh? Oh. These are the bank offers. Huh? There we have 4 offers. 4 with the green color badge. More bank offers available. EMI table, see this one. The other points, one icon, EMI table only, special icon it will comes. A particular point, how can change the icons are? Repeatedly we have to use that attribute. Repeatedly we have to use that attribute. But now I am going to showing 4 points with 4 different images. Here all points are comes with some bullet symbol, that is this arrow, that is okay, the uniform symbol. And now uniform symbol I'm changing into some different symbols. Bullet continues. But JavaScript I want to separate symbols, sir, only for JavaScript. This property you have to repeat in JavaScript li tag. Which point you are expecting the different symbol, go to the point tag, apply the CSS style and make the change here some b.png. 4 points, one symbol, JavaScript different symbol. Now every point I need the different symbols, sir. Possible, sir? Repeat the same thing for HTML. So csk.png, second one CSS, srh.png, next, our shortcuts available, the team shortcuts. Bangalore shortcut what? RCB, RCB.png, Next, mi.png. Next, kkr. Okay. DC also available కదా. Okay. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ DC fans hurting ఇప్పుడు. Sir, all teams mentioned, but my team not mentioned. Sir showing partiality. React JS DC. ఇప్పుడు my covering 1, 2. This one we are deleting this one because every point I'm going to displaying with the different image. 6 teams are covered, sir. If any of your favorite team is not covered, next time we'll see. I already mentioning.